Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to turn off parental controls on your iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your iPhone settings. Okay, now click on screen time. Okay, that one. Now scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Okay, that's right. Now just toggle this switch off. Okay, just click on it. Okay, now you will be asked to type out your passcode in order to approve your request. Now that you type out your passcode, you'll be able to turn your current content and privacy restrictions on iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.